Let me ask you a question. If I gave you $10,000 today, would you know the best way to turn it into a self-sustaining income stream? Most people wouldn't. Not because they aren't smart, but because the wealth building world is full of noise. Real estate gurus, stock traders, digital product pushers, everyone screaming that their way is the way. The truth? There is no one-size-fits-all wealth strategy. The wrong strategy for your situation will drain your time, your money, and your motivation. The right one will set you on a path to freedom faster than you think. Today, I'm going to help you find your right strategy so you can go from stuck to self-sustaining without wasting years chasing the wrong path. In the last video, I gave you the wealth blueprint, how to build assets that work while you sleep. Now it's time to zoom in, because knowing that you need assets is one thing. Knowing which asset to build first is what separates the dreamers from the doers. This is the fork in the road most people never navigate correctly. They either jump into something too big for their current resources or pick something too small to ever give them freedom. So today, I'll walk you through a simple 5-step framework to figure out the best wealth strategy for where you are right now, so you can build momentum fast. Section 1. Why following the crowd doesn't work. Let's get this out of the way. Copying what worked for someone else can be dangerous. Why? Because you're not them. They may have more startup capital than you, a completely different skill set, a network you don't have, more free time. The fastest way to waste years is to run someone else's race. You have to build your strategy around your current reality, not someone else's highlight reel. Section 2. The 5-step strategy matching framework. Here's how to match the right wealth building strategy to your life. Step 1. Define your starting point. Ask yourself, how much time can I realistically invest each week? How much money do I have to start? What skills do I already have? What's my risk tolerance? How much can I afford to lose without panic? This will instantly eliminate strategies that don't fit your current capacity. Step 2, identify your wealth building style. Some people thrive in hands-on active projects. Others do better setting up systems and letting them run. If you love action and fast movement, consider active income that transitions into passive, like flipping items, then building an e-commerce brand. If you prefer a slow build, consider assets that grow quietly over time, like rental properties, index funds, or royalties. Step 3. Choose your first asset category. Pick one of the 3 we covered in the Wealth Blueprint. 1. Physical assets. Good if you have capital, patience, and like tangible investments. 2. Digital assets. Best if you have low capital but skills in writing, video, or marketing. 3. Intellectual property assets. Best if you have specialized knowledge or ideas you can package and license. Step 4. Match your resources to the right model. Examples: $500 and 10 hours per week. Start a small digital asset like an ebook, online course, or niche YouTube channel. $5,000 and 5 hours per week. Buy a vending machine or launch a drop servicing business. $25,000 and 2 hours per week. Acquire a rental property with property management. Step 5. Commit for 12 months. The biggest mistake? Quitting after 60 days because you're not rich yet. Most asset strategies take 6 to 12 months to show consistent returns. Pick one lane and commit to it for at least a year before diversifying. Section 3, Case Studies, Strategy Matching in Action. Case 1, Small Capital, High Time. Chris had $1,000 and 15 hours a week after work. Instead of trying real estate too early, he started a niche blog. In 18 months, it was making $1,800 per month in ad revenue. Case 2, Moderate Capital, Low Time. Angela had $15K and only 4 hours a week. She bought a duplex, hired property management, and now earns $600 per month net, completely hands-off. Case 3, High Skills, Low Capital. Jamal was a graphic designer with no extra cash. He built templates for Canva and Etsy, making $100 per day in passive sales within 4 months. Section 4, Avoiding the Shiny Object Trap. Once you pick your strategy, you'll be tempted by 100 other ideas. Here's how to avoid that. Write down why you chose your strategy. Track your progress monthly. Only pivot if you've mastered the current lane or it's proven unreliable after 12 months. Remember, focus beats hustle every time. Section 5. The compounding effect of sticking to one strategy. When you stick to one lane, 3 things happen. 1. You get faster at execution. 2. Your results compound. 3. You develop expertise others will pay for, creating a second income stream without starting from scratch. Final push. Your next move right now, this week, run your life through the 5-step strategy matching framework. Eliminate everything that doesn't fit your current reality. Choose your lane and commit to it for 1 year. Because here's the truth. Wealth doesn't come from chasing every opportunity. It comes from fully owning the right one. So here is your call to action. If you're ready to pick your lane and stick to it until you're free, subscribe and hit the like button, because in the next video, I'm going to give you Relentless, the system to stay consistent and finish what you start. Let's go to work.